Welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I have the pleasure of showing you a brand new 2023 Nautique G23. Got a beautiful color scheme here with the Admiral Blue and the Mystic White hull side. We have our stainless steel rub rail right here, and then our docking lights. 23 foot in length on this boat. Our tower has the same color scheme as the exterior, which really ties in well together. And then making our way to the swim platform, we have our sea deck right here, and then also a nice grab rail to get in and out of the boat, and then also your stairway. Taking a look at the bottom here, we have, since this is a G23, we have our steer assist. So in tight quarters, it's going to be able to handle the boat, maneuver really well. We have underwater lighting. We have our exhaust pipe that shoots emissions down into the water, our Nautique surf system, and then our NCRS that's really going to help keep this boat on plane when it's filled up with ballast. And this also has the ZZ6 450 in it, so tons of power when you're on the water. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Starting here on the swim platform, we have a nice entryway inside the boat, so you're not stepping on any upholstery. Back here, we also have a transom remote, a built-in self-draining cooler, and then we have seats back there. So if you're anchored and hanging out on the water, it's a great spot to relax. Underneath here, we do have tons of storage. This boat actually has an extra supplemental ballast of 1,400 pounds. So it's going to be a lot of ballast that's going to create a monster weight behind the boat. And then in here, you've got plenty of room to store boards, any kind of gear that you bring on the water. We have the Mojave Brown interior and the Mocha Brown non-skid. So with Admiral Blue and Mystic White, the color scheme inside matches wonderfully with the outside. So taking a look at our tower here, we have our jail audio system, so 2 speakers up top. This tower actually folds down, and then the bimini top, there's 2 pins on either side where you unclip those and it lays down flat, so it's great for storage. And then we have the boot on this right now, but this does fold out, and then you have spots up there to store your boards and everything. And then over here on this side, we do have our strapless board racks that do swivel and adjust, and they're going to be able to hold any size board. And then right here in the cockpit area, we have nice seating on either side. Our seat right here does fold backwards, so you can sit back, relax, and have your passengers looking back towards the water. And then walking up here, we have tons of storage underneath all the seats. Another storage spot is going to be underneath here. And then this boat does come with a towable cover. We have our recessed glove box. And then at the helm, race car inspired seat. We have all of our hotkeys over here so that you're going to be able to control the music, your ballast, your lighting, etc. And then also over here on the Link Panorama screen, you're going to have your navigation and all your ballast shifting controls. And at the helm, this is ergonomically sound, so you can sit right here when the boat's under ballast and it's got a heavy load. It's going to not ride bow high. You're going to be able to see right over the windshield. So it's a great setup on this G23. And then up at the bow, this is option with a bow filler cushion, so you can turn this into a full sun pad. And this boat's built for entertainment. It's located here at our store in Rogers. Come on by and take a look, give us a call, or make an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.